I'm making another video for you guys. It's called my no makeup look. So this is it. Okay. So, bare face, put your moisturizer, lahat ng skincare routine nyo, kung ano yung ginagawa nyo before kayo mag-makeup. I usually put lang is tinted moisturizer. Pero kung gusto nyo talaga parang medyo full coverage or yung flawless yung skin nyo, you can use the regular foundation. Pero huwag yun nang masyadong i-heavy kasi nga no makeup look. I like to use this one, the Laura Mercier. So, I just dab it. Kaya moisturizer na kanina linagay ko. Yung ginagamit ko talaga, which is the SK2 RNA. You can use your sponge or your brush using this. I think there's no problem. Pero ako, I like to use my hands pag ito. Next is, of course, my concealer. It's a no makeup look, but may makeup pa din talaga. I just want the illusion na parang wow, ang glowing ng skin or whatever. So I use MAC, NW25, and NC30 to, okay, just a little bit. Concealer. There. Then, this is from Nippon. And I really like this brush for the under eye. My MAC NC40. So, medyo white siya. A little bit. Here. What do we do? This is from Happy Skin. Okay. This is my no makeup look. Go-to makeup. Gets. I really like it because it's very natural. So, eyes, noseline, and eyebrows na rin siya. But, I really don't use this for my eyebrows, but you can also. It's perfect. Ginagamit ko siya sa eyelid and sa noseline ko. I also actually use it as a contour also. So, all-in-one na talaga siya. So, this is what I use pag meron akong taping, tapos yung taping doesn't really require full-on makeup. So, ito lang yung ginagamit ko. If you have this, perfectly no makeup look. Use this brush, a contour brush, Real Technique. So what I do is I use a deep taupe and soft brown. Nahalo ko siya for my contour. Since a no makeup look doesn't really require a heavy contour, so kontian nyo lang. Siyempre gusto nyo lang may konting shadow. Very, very light. And then the next is noseline. Konti lang. Konti lang. Use the soft brown. Make sure you tap the excess. Kasi ayaw nyo naman na biglang pag ganun yung sobrang kapal. Tap it. And then just a little bit here sa side. So you can see the shadow already, no? Sobrang konti lang. Yeah, it comes with a brush also. Pang eyebrow and then for the nose line and eyes. And then, use the soft brown again for your eyes. Just to put a little bit of color. You don't wanna sobrang full made up yung eyes. Yung kasi nga no makeup lang. Parang, I woke up like this. I love Happy Skin because it's a local brand. It's not that expensive and super ganda talaga niya. The no makeup look. The must have. Again, your eyebrows. Just a little bit. I use Anastasia. Dark brown brow wiz. So, I just fill it in. Kasi again, if you want yung pack na eyebrows talaga sa no makeup look, pwede. Asha. Dark brown brow wiz. I just fill it in. Kasi again, if you want yung pack na eyebrows talaga sa no makeup look, pwede. There. Other side. Shout out to Lay Bear. Yeah, pinapa-thread ko lang siya. Linis lang. There you can see, filled in lang siya. I used the powder also from Anastasia. Yung brow powder duo. Yeah. Oh always use this. It's kailangan meron talaga ako niyan. Mapa no makeup, mapa pageant makeup, mapa event makeup, taping makeup. It's my, you know, parang holy grail. If you find it medyo dark, what you do is you just brush it out. Brush. Next is I use this, yung parang mascara for the eyebrow. Usually, pag event or pag pageant makeup, I use yung may color, yung brown. Pero pag no makeup, I just use the clear one para maayos yung kilay ko. It stays in place. So it's a Charlotte Tilbury what I use. This is what I use. So this one is the sculpting gel from Charlotte Tilbury. Yeah, I use this one. You can use yung powder na blush or whatever you use. Pero sobrang addicted ako ngayon sa Glossier na Seamless Cheek Color. And now, pag no makeup look, I either use, well, every day, kahit wala talaga ako makeup, I use this. Haze and Dusk. Very nude. Nude siya. Very nude lang. Very light. Yan. I put it here on my cheek. Start ng konti and then you build from there. Smile. Put some in your cheek. Of course, you have to curl your lashes. Let's curl. It's your choice kung gusto nyong mag-mascara o hindi. But for now, I will put mascara. I have two favorites, Innisfree Skinny and Too Faced Better Than Sex. My favorite. Sobrang nakakapal. Yeah. I put a little bit. Alright, mag-open yung lash. People say, ang no makeup look, mas madami pang makeup na linalagay. So, kung madali yun. Parang something like that. Para mas flawless yung skin. Yeah, I'll show you my lower lashes, how it is. Look at that. So, I'm going to try this for the first time. It's called Unicorn Tears Starlight from Hello Gorgeous. Look at that. Look how cute that is. Maybe just a little. See? Look. Put. Okay lang. If you don't want to put, it's okay again. A little bit on top of your nose. And your lips. Okay. This is my no makeup look lipstick. It's from Happy Skin again. Yes, I love Happy Skin. Beauty and the Beast liquid lipstick. Usually, maglalagay ako ng lip liner na medyo dark. And then, ipapatungan ko nito. And it's really good. That's the color. Medyo dark siya. Right? It's very natural. It's pinkish. It's not that pink. It's nude. So, a balm before you put lipstick. I forgot to do that. But you know what? I've been using this lip mask. And it's really good. I'm gonna show it to you later. I use that every night. And then pagising ko, sobrang soft nung lips ko. Hindi siya chapped. Wala. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang galing. See? Look, I hope you guys liked it. Ang no makeup look for me kasi dapat maganda talaga yung eyebrows nyo. Your lips are nice. You have a little bit of cheek color and sobrang konti lang sa eyes nyo. You don't want it sobrang gawang-gawa na sobrang pack na pack. Because you want it as natural as possible. So, yeah, this is my no makeup look. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share it to your friends. And again, I'm not an expert. I'm just here to teach you kung ano talaga yung ginagawa ko sa pag-makeup sa sarili ko. And I hope you try it out. Let me know if you did. Tag me on Instagram. Maybe here on YouTube also. You can use this again. You can do your own tutorial. And then Twitter, tag me also. So thank you guys. I hope you like it.